Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faiz Akmal bin Ahmad Fairuz. My matrix number is AA250693. Today, as a representative of my team, I will be explaining about egg boiler circuit presentation. I am from section 2, group 2, basic electric and electrical, DAM 12803. From my lecturer name is Dr. Caroliza Osman. I will be going to talk about the introduction of egg boiler. The definition of egg boiler is automatic kitchen cooking appliance that control the duration of time of cooking time. We can decide to choose half boiled egg, hot spring egg, or hard boiled egg. Before egg boiler was born, people process manually using standard kitchen clocks or manual timer to boil the egg. And early after the egg boiler was born, it eliminates the inconsistent of cooking, such as overcooking or undercooking boiled egg. For safety reason, majority of egg boiler already have wheel up alarm or buzzer to indicate that the egg boiler is already broken. So, the primary objective of our project is assign this distinct interval for soft, medium or hard boiled eggs and use manual observation label reduce the thermal accidents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam Lukman bin Azmizan. My metric number is AA251210. I'm from section 2 electric. Okay. Today I want to talk about this slide. This slide explain the following. Explain the working principle of the egg timer circuit. The circuit use an NE555 timer integrated circuit or IC to estimate the cooking time for boiled egg. The circuit is powered by a 5-volt power supply and consists of several components such as a variable resistor, a capacitor, LED, a transistor, and a buzzer. First, the user adjusts the variable resistor to select the desired boiling time. The variable resistor and capacitor work together to determine the length of the countdown. When the timer activates, the NE555 timer IC starts measuring the selected time interval. After the preset time has elapsed, the IC sends a signal to the transistor. The transistor then activates the LED and the buzzer to notify the user that the egg are ready. It is important to note that this circuit only functions as a timer reminder and does not control the egg boiling process directly. Its main purpose is to help user estimate the cooking time more accurately and achieve consistent boiling result.
Okay, my name is Azimat Asnabin Syam Azmi and I will explain the literature review part. And first of all, based on previous studies, an egg boiler is an appliance that boils egg automatically using a heating elements, and it helps save time and makes cooking easier. But most egg boiler have timer and an automatic shut-off system to prevent overcooking. However, some models cannot accurately control the level of egg doneness. Therefore, this project aims to develop an egg boiler that is more user-friendly, safer and more efficient.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mohaimin bin Syaful Azmi, nama matric AA251123. Now, I want to explain about our component in egg boiler timer. Firstly is 100 ohm resistor, which is the function is limit the flow of current in the circuit. Second, we have 100K variable resistor, adjust resistance to control current or timing. The third, we have 1K ohm resistor, which the function is reduce current to protect component. And number 4, we have 220 ohm resistor, and function is limit current, especially for LEDs. And number 5, we have 220 microfarad electrolytic capacitor to store and release electrical charge. And number 6, we have 220K ohm resistor for control the charging rate of the capacitor. Continue for the next slide. Okay, continue for this slide. At number 7, we have 47k ohm resistor, which is help control current and timing function. At number 8, we have 9V voltage rail to distribute 9V power throughout the circuit. At number 9, we have buzzer to produce sound as an alert or notification. Number 10, we have a green LED to indicate normal operation or power on. At number 11, we have red LED to indicate warning or active status. And number 12, we have NE555 bipolar timer to generate and control timing function. Okay, we continue for slide number 3. Okay, for the third component slide at number 30, we have NPN transistor, which is function for act as an electronic switch or amplifier. Number 14, we have push to max switch, complete the circuit when pressed. Number 15, we have battery, supplies electric power to the circuit. Number 16, we have cell, provide a small source and electric energy. Number 17, we have ground to reference point of zero voltage and return path for current. And lastly, we have 0 volt rain to connect component to the ground line. Okay, that's all for our component for our egg boiler.
Okay, for this slide, I will explain the working principle of our egg timer circuit. First, when the push button, which is SW1, is pressed, the NE555 timer IC start operating. At the same time, capacitor C2 begin charging through the variable resistor VR1 and resistor R3. The charging rate of the capacitor determines how long the timer will run. By adjusting VR1, the user can set the desired boiling time for the egg. During the countdown, LED D1 turn on to indicate that the timer is active and the timing process is in process. When the capacitor voltage reach the threshold level, the NE555 timer IC change its output state and sends a signal to transistor Q1. Then transistor Q1 activate the buzzer BZ1 and LED D2. This alert the user that the preset time has ended and the egg are ready. It is important to note that this circuit does not control the egg boiling process directly. It's only function as a reminder system to help user estimate the boiling time more accurately and achieve consistent boiling result.
Okay, from this discussion, the boil egg timer was chosen because it's a simple product that apply basic electric and electronic concept. The timer use a DC battery as its power source to supply electrical energy to the circuit. Inside the device, there are several important components such as the timer IC, resistor, capacitor, buzzer, and switch. According to information from LessFire, resistor, capacitor, or RC circuit are commonly used to control timing function in electronic device. In this timer, the resistor and capacitor work together to determine how long the timer will operate. Once the present time has been reached, the timer IC send a signal to active the buzzer, which product a sound notify that user that the egg are ready. Overall, this product show how basic electrical and electronic principle can be applied in everyday life to make cooking more convenient, efficient, and accurate.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how this circuit work. First, we adjust the variable resistor into 30k ohm. Then click the SW1 switch 1. After 8 seconds, the buzzer will make a sound and the LED will light up. That the estimate sound if we set the 30k ohm. So if we adjust it higher, like 60k ohm, then click the switch button. The buzzer and the LED will make sound and light up after 15 seconds. So we can adjust the time in variable resistor to estimate the time for egg uh, finish boiling.
I will be explaining about calculation. First, duration to cook egg, where the equation is t equal to 1.1 rc, where t is time duration in second, r is resistance, which is we use 220k ohm and 100k ohm as a variable, and c is capacitance, is equal to 220 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So we put the value in the equation, so we got 77.74 second calculation is total current, supply voltage is 9 volt, and LED voltage drop is 2 volt, where resistor red light LED is 220 ohm. We use ohm law. We put the value in the Ohm's law equation to and get the 31.8 milliampere. Now I'm going to talk about advantage and disadvantage of a boiler. First advantage is low production cost. We use cheap standard component and avoid expensive PLCs or microcontrollers. Second advantage is high stability and reliability. We use high wired logic circuit that immune to software or firmware crash. Third Third advantage is simple user interface. We use clear 3D LED indicators, red, green or yellow. First disadvantages is rigid design. The egg boiler cannot be reprogrammed via another software. No. Second disadvantage is no modern feature. The egg boiler lack native LCD screen support and cannot support Wi-Fi connecting. And lastly, complex scaling. If we want to add another feature that on the egg boiler, we need to counters or gates the egg boiler. That's all for me. In conclusion, this product is really help us to save time to cooking the egg. First, high economy and compactness. This production is low on cost and replace expensive industrial PLC. Secondly, outstanding system performance. Hardwired circuit ensure structural autonomy, already achieve the high reliability and precise timing. Third conclusion is enhanced kitchen safety. It eliminate unmonitored heating hazard. And lastly, it is crucial for engineering exposure. Understanding this strict appliance design standard will help us to get better and master component fault protection and status guidance. Thank you. So this is our reference that we refer during the time we do this project. That's all from us from Group 2. Thank you and see you again.